welcome to this 4th edition of the Great Manager Awards. The vision behind the awards is to create an ecosystem of great managers in the country. Tonight, through this platform, let us recognize managerial excellence. I now request Mr. Mervyn Raphael, Managing Director of People Business, to come forward to the stage and give his opening address. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mervyn.
This is the 4th edition, and I think as we've gone along the journey, it's become better, it's become more aspirational. What's happened with this year is, I think, with the awards getting bigger and becoming more aspirational, we've seen a lot more participation, and you'll see that in the awards, in terms of companies from different sectors who have started participating in the awards. Basis what we've actually learned from the findings of this year's great managers that we actually interviewed and looked at the data, I think 3 characteristics have evolved in terms of managers, at least in the near future, which will be important to them. I think one is the ability to manage change, and I think that is a no-brainer because this is ongoing in terms of what's happening in terms of the external environment, in terms of digitalization. The second, I think, for an individual in terms of his learnability and his ability to adapt. And I think that is increasingly becoming important in organizations. We are looking at people who can learn and unlearn and quickly relearn. And I think another important thing that India is getting open to for managers is being open to diversity in terms of how do they work with diverse cultures, diverse set of people. And those are our 3 key learnings from this year's awards. Thank you.
And now, in keeping with the Indian tradition, we will conduct the auspicious lighting of the lamp. May I request now members from the audience to please come join the stage for the lighting of the lamp. With the nationwide hunt conducted by People Business, we identified companies with great managers. These are companies that create an environment which fosters managerial excellence and recognizes it as pivotal to driving employee performance and well-being. Ladies and gentlemen, let us tonight recognize such companies with great managers. We now invite representatives of the winning companies to please come and join us on the stage. So I would also request Mr. David Bardole, if you can join us on the stage and present the award to the companies with great managers. Mr. David, Mr. Mervyn, I can request you once again. Thank you. The first company to win this award, ladies and gentlemen, is a Fortune 100 company which is a well-established hub for top talent in India, which operates under the tagline, "We are the good hands." Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Allstate Solutions Private Limited. Thank you, Professor David. Thank you, Mervyn, for giving away the awards. For the next set of awards, I would request Mr. Akhilesh Mandal, President, People Business, and my great manager, to please join us on the stage. I would also request Mr. Jaspal Bindra, Chairman, Centrum Group, to please come on the stage and give away the awards. Up next is a company that drives financial inclusion, and this reflects in their brand promise, Rishta Samman Ka. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Fullerton India Credit Company Limited. Up next is a company with a simple mission to be a world-class bank. It has grown to become this country's leading private sector bank. Today, with a banking network of over 5,000 branches and more than 13,000 ATMs. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for HDFC Bank Limited. The next winner is a company which provides a holistic approach to to enable better travel. Please welcome IGT Solutions Private Limited. With a simple philosophy, offer low fares, on-time, courteous, and hassle-free service, this company is India's largest passenger airline with a dominating market share of 48.2%. Ladies and gentlemen, Indigo. The next winner has a vast network which covers over 300 ports in more than 120 countries. It is helping connect and simplifying global trade for a growing world. Please welcome Maersk Line. A company that provides path-breaking medical services and technologies in the new age of healthcare. A pioneer in the Indian healthcare industry for over 6 decades, please welcome Manipal Health Enterprises Private Limited. Where some see uncertainty, they see possibilities. As a digital business transformation partner of choice for more than 3 decades, with a strength of over 23,000 employees, please welcome Publicis Sapient. Coming up next is India's largest kitchen appliances company, both in volume and value of market share, under the tagline, "Jo apne se kare pyar, wo kaise kare isse inkar." Please welcome TTK Prestige Limited. One of the largest independent oil and gas exploration and production company, contributing to 25% of India's domestic crude production. Please welcome Kane Oil and Gas Vedanta Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, the last award in this category goes to India's #1 beer company with its flagship brand, Kingfisher. Ladies and gentlemen, this company needs no introduction. Let's welcome United Breweries Limited. Thank you, Mr. Bindra. Thank you, Akhilesh, for joining us.
These are the other winners awarded in the Companies with Great Managers category.
This year when we started this program, the Young HR Leaders, the whole mission that we had is create a beacon in terms of saying that what makes the future leaders in HR. And for that, once we partnered with TAPME, what we bought with them is the research and in-depth analysis they have bought in terms of what strategic HR is all about. Give a big hand to all the winners. I think they have made they are the 5% of the nominations. They deserve a big hand. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Professor Surya, I'll request you to give away the awards. The first category in the Young HR Leader Award is for the TAPI Young HR Leader Award. I would also request Mr. Jaspal Bindra, if you can come on once again to the stage along with Professor Surya to give away the first set of awards. Ladies and gentlemen, the first award in this category goes to Bikram K. Nayak from L&T NXT. Up next, the next award is for Deepak Mishra from United Breweries Limited. Thank you, Mr. Bindra, for giving away the awards. For the next set of awards, I would like to call upon Mr. Vikramaditya Gurneni, MD and CEO of Amara Raja Power Systems. The next award goes to Sudeepta Saha from Otis Elevators Company India Limited. And the last award in this category goes to Yogesh S. from Tech Mahindra Limited.
These are the other winners awarded in the Young HR Leaders category.
Thank you, Mr. Vikramaditya. Thank you. The next category is the Young Millennial HR Leader Award. May I request Mr. Manmohan Kalsi, CHRO at United Breweries, to please come on the stage and present the awards. The first award in the Young Millennial HR Award goes to Akshat Surana from Adani Group.
These are the other winners awarded in the Young Millennial HR Leader category.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Prasad Rajappan.
How life is changing for the HR managers. So at Zing HR, we believe in automation. So I think a lot of people have been talking of automation, saying how do I automate my processes. We are saying if you don't have business outcomes, please don't look at automation. I've seen a lot of companies saying, can you put the AI for us? Can you put the bots for us? Or can I do the robotic interviews? The whole first question we normally ask, what are the business outcomes? So just a couple of slides on the platform, then I get into the speech, what I want to talk to you. So as a company, we do the entire hire to retire, like from hiring, onboarding, time attendance, payroll, performance, learning, rewards, the entire platform, all on the mobile too, in 26 languages. Like I said, we are across now the globe doing it. And we also, we got a lot of requests from our customers to run an academy to train people on what is machine learning. Is it so, I don't understand machine learning. Can I train you on that? So we have started our own academy where we are certifying people on machine learning, on robotic interviews, on engagement as a part of our system. And just lastly, to just summarize, what do we bring in? We bring in the depth and width of newest technologies. And our strength is all our platform, all the 20 modules are our own. It is not assembled from partners. Like I said, the whole idea was to instigate HR. And we strongly believe HR managers are the best managers who can take up the CEO's role. Because today's world is all about people. And HR people understand people better. Thank you.
What we've seen is an increased association of companies, and it's become an aspirational event for companies to participate. But I think what we're really focused on is ensuring a robust process of selection so that it does not become a Me Too event where people can actually aspire and come for the event. So the number of people who are participating in the event, the number of companies who are participating in the event has grown up increasingly. And we are adding new dimensions to the event as the years go by. And we hope this to make it bigger, better, and take it to other countries also.
Next up, a panel of experts discuss and share their views on the topic, will your next manager be an AI engine?
Will AI be a machine which will actually become a manager?
Even about 20, 30 years ago, and I come from the aviation industry, you still had someone called a flight navigator, to navigate the pilot to fly. Now, thereafter came the glass cockpit. and the glass cockpit basically told you everything about the plane, and you didn't have to do anything at all. I only hope that there's not going to be a time when the planes are going to be flown by a machine.
I see a lot of technology and digitization and AI getting into everything that we do, right from the mining operations to, say, our safety operations, people getting inside the mines or the oil fields, or technology and digitization in everything that we do, including HR, finance. So even in our kind of an industry, I see a big role that technology and digital and AI has to play.
Possibility of phones, so nothing is impossible. I mean, let's not rule that out. There are aspects in a manager's job which are soft, and I foresee, therefore, a hybrid model in which the repetitive or the intelligence part can be done by AI.
Brilliant.
And in the hybrid model, the softer side, which is things like creativity, innovation, empathy, support for team, which is essentially manager's job to deal with ethical dilemmas, to really even do the boss or upward management. These are things which AI will struggle with, right?
I think in between 2014 to 2019, the Turing test, which is the test administered to figure out whether a machine is indistinguishable between a human or a machine, right? I think it got broken twice.
We will now recognize lifetime achievers in the field of human resources. I would like to call Mervyn to please introduce the category of awards. Mervyn.
This year we decided with TAPI that we are going to look at lifetime achievers in HR. And we looked at primarily people who have spent at least 35 years in HR. So we decided we look at these stalwarts in industry, and we wanted to have a very clear criteria in terms of looking at them. So one of the things we looked at is who are these people who have contributed in organizations which are complex, which are global. And there are two people here in the room. And one of them, and let me give a brief introduction about each of them since I've known them for a while. I think one is you saw Dr. Prince Augustine. The second is Gautam Chainani. So I'd invite Jaspal to come and, give the awards to first Prince.
We call upon Mr. Gautam Chainani.
These are the other winners awarded in the HR Lifetime Achievement category.
It is often said that people join companies but leave their managers. How many of us have experienced that at least once in our lives? The managers that we recognize today are of a different league. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our great manager in 8 categories. Managers who excel in result orientation, managers who show the way in creating and aligning the organization vision, managers who get the best out of their people, who enhance people performance, managers who build effective teams, who get everybody on board, managers who walk the talk, exemplars in individual credibility. Overall category winners, this is the summation of the above 5 categories. Senior leader category, these are managers of business. And finally, we have the women leaders exemplifying the above attributes. Let us first welcome winners in the first subcategory, that is the Zing HR Senior Leader category. To give away the awards, we invite Mr. Prasad Rajappan, MD, Zing HR, on the stage, please. May I also request Dr. Sandeep Krishnan, who is the architect of the Great Manager Awards and a senior partner at People Business, to please come on the stage and join in giving the awards. Award goes to Rajesh Parab from Kalakon Asia Private Limited.
These are the other winners awarded in the Senior Leader category.
It is now time to recognize the overall category winners, great managers who excelled across the ROPTI categories.
These are the winners awarded in the overall category.
Thank you so much. The next set of awards goes to India's great women leaders.
These are the winners awarded in the Women Leader category.
Thank you, Sandeep, for giving the awards. Thank you. Let us now welcome winners in the result orientation category, managers who excelled in driving results for their organization.
These are the winners awarded in the result orientation category.
There are only a handful of managers who can connect the dots between what we do on a daily basis and how it rolls up to the organization vision. Let us now welcome great managers in the Aligning Organization Vision category.
These are the winners awarded in the Aligning Organization Vision category.
We now invite great managers who are recognized for the Darwin Box Enhancing People Performance Award.
These are the winners awarded in the Enhancing People Performance category.
Our next category of awards is in recognizing great managers who enhance team effectiveness. Thank you, winners. Our next category of awards, very rightly so, is in the individual category credibility area.
These are the winners awarded in the Individual Credibility category.
I'm very proud that our company was recognized as a company with great managers, and I'm particularly proud of our team members, Sid Iyer and Kirti Gupta, that won individual awards and were recognized in their own right as great managers.
I think it's a very symbiotic relationship we have now with Mervyn and his associates in people business, and we are very happy to be associated.